I've made a few Assassin's Creed character posters before, but what about a logo version? In today's video, I'm combining several video game characters into one Photoshop edit. First, I started by masking the characters using the pen tool. I put some of the characters into the layout, but ended up having to take a few out. Each character has at least 2 layers. The first is ambient shadow, basically making sure they look deeper so the characters stand out clearly. The second layer is highlighting layer. Used it to match the light coming from this direction. Because the picture is snowy, I edited to make its feet appear abandoned in the snow. I added a shadow to every characters. And also, I explained everything in my previous video, so feel free to check out that too. Finally, added some snowflakes to it, and as usual, used the camera filter.